Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create Instagram stories using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new MacBook Pro. So let's jump into it. First, open Canva, then go to the home page, and at the home page you just have to tap on the social media tab, and it's going to open up the different social media templates that they have. Now go to the Instagram section because we are editing Instagram stories, and then tap on the Instagram story. And then Canva is going to open up an editing page for you that has the perfect size and type for an Instagram post. Now here you have two choices. You can either upload your own photos, type your own text, and create and stylize an Instagram post that you would like, which is quite easy. But if you want an even easier way, you can use the Instagram templates. They have different templates for different content types. As you can see, they have newsroom, coronavirus topics, quiz, bingo Instagram quiz, get to know me, love Instagram stories, dark modern Instagram stories, and quite a lot of different styles. Now if you want to use one of these stories, you just tap on them and it's going to add the design to your editing page, and obviously from here you can customize it and edit it to your need. You can type in a different number, different text, or anything. You can change the design elements, move them around, you can make them bigger or smaller, so it's really in your hand. But I think it can help a lot to use these templates because these are designed by professional designers, and in most of the cases they are a better solution than to go and design your announcements from the bottom. So this is how you can add the templates and how to customize it. Just tap on any of the elements that you would like to customize and you can move them around and customize them. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.